So guys, today we're going to be doing a math CA week 7 term 3. Question 1. On which day was the temperature the lowest? We start from here. Monday it was -9, -2 on Tuesday, Wednesday 1, Thursday 3, Friday 0, and Saturday 2, and Sunday -4. So this one, because we didn't take it, I'll explain it to you guys. So the number below 0 is negative, which is smaller than 0. So out of all of them, it would be -9, which is the smallest one, which is on Monday. On which day was the temperature 1 degree higher than Friday? Friday it was 0. It wants 1 bigger, so we just plus 1 Wednesday. This one. Question 2. Shape A is a rectangle. Shape B is a triangle. If all the sides were not equal, then it would have not been a triangle. Shape C is a hexagon because it has 6 sides. Shape T is a trapezoid. Maybe you guys might not all know what it is, but it looks like it's kind of a square, but it's none of the sides are equal. Question 3. Which of the shapes has 4 right angles? This one, shape A, which is a rectangle. B, which shape has all its angles greater than a right angle? Shape C. Okay, here they want which of following numbers has 8 as a tens digit? Not tenths. If it was tenths, then it would have been 0.8. But they want 2, 8, 4, something like that. So it has to be in the second number. Or if it was 100. Which is 10 times bigger than 82? 82 times 1, 82, and then just add a 0, 820. The following is not a whole number. A whole number would be if there was no decimal point, nothing, like all of those other numbers. But this one, it has a decimal point, so it is not a whole. Which of the following numbers is the smallest? 102.8. Which of the following are equal to 30 pence? Here, all we have to do, one answer is already here in the question. We just remove everything, and then the first one is 30p, and then here, and then the second one, it's 30 pence. It's not pounds, so it should be 0.30 pounds because it's like smaller than 1 pound, so it'd be 0. 24. Which of the following pairs of numbers when multiplied gives 24? 2 and 12, yes. And 4 and 12, if it was 4 and 12, then it would be 48, so it's wrong. 6 and 4, yes, it would be equal to 24. If you guys also read the full question, it says 2 correct answers, so you won't have to look more. But if you guys just want to check it again, then you do the other numbers. On Monday, the midnight temperature was -4 degrees Celsius. The next day, the midnight temperature was 5 degrees higher. What was the temperature the next day? It was what? Here it's basically 5 minus 4. That's sometimes, it doesn't always work like that, but that's sometimes how I do it. The shuffle table below shows the records in 4 athletic events. Match each event with the corresponding time. 100 meters swimming, 12 minutes, no. 2 minutes, yes. 100-meter hurdles, 12 minutes, no. 13 seconds, yes. Marathon running, 12 minutes, no. 2 hours, yes. 2 kilometers running, 12 minutes. One number is exactly halfway between 46 and 24. So first we minus 46 and 24 equals 22 divided by 2 equals 11. 46 minus 11, 35. Question 10. What number is exactly halfway between I don't know what happened there. Question 10. One number is exactly halfway between 2.5 and 4.5. This one is quite easy. There is no number in between them, so it's 3.5. Find the fraction that is exactly halfway between 12 over 8 and 2 over 8. 12 minus 2, 10 out of 8. 10 out of 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 minus 12 equals 7 out of 8. Question 12. Angles are equal, has 4 sides. Okay, the ones that are equal and they have 4 sides. A, which is a square. B, it does not have 4 sides and they're not equal. So C, no. E, it's E because E is basically it's basically a square but just kind of flipped around into like a diamond shape. Not all angles are equal and they have 4 sides. A, no. B, no. C, no. D, it does. It has 4 sides, but they're not all equal. E, no. F, no. G, yes. Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of them does not have 4 sides and all angles are equal? C. Not all angles are equal. B. All of the angles are equal. Plus it does not have 4 sides. And F. Because F, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 angles. How many 50 pounds are there in 8 pounds? Here we just count. It's basically one that's 2 or 1 pound. Those are 2 pounds. Those are 3 pounds. Those are 4 pounds. Those are 5 pounds. Those are 6 pounds. Those are 7 pounds. Those are 8 pounds. We count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Question 14. Write the smallest possible number using each of the digits above only once. What is the smallest one out of all? 2. So we write 2. And then it's 4. And then 7. And then 8. 2,478. Choose 2 numbers whose sum is 75. 27 plus 78, no. Because this one, it's fully wrong. Because it's 78 is bigger than the sum they want. 42. If we needed 42, then we would need 33. So none of those are correct. 28 plus 47 it's 5 here, and then plus 1 is 3. So it's 75. So those 2 are correct. We plus them, so we can reach 75. Question 16. Fill in the blank below to make 2-digit numbers whose difference is 24. We'll try 82 and 47. 82 and 47 will make 45, which is wrong. 72 and 48. Six, and then add that 4, 2. It's correct. Question 17. Okay, which of them is like 1 out of 2? This is 1 out of 4. 3 out of 8. 1 out of 2. So you match this. 1 out of 4. It's this. Three out of 4. and 3 out of 8. Question 18. What fraction is shaded? 3 of them are shaded, and there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There's 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And it's 5 out of 1. Here, 2 plus 1 equals 9. No. 2 plus 5 equals 9. No. 2 plus 6 equals 9. No. 2 plus 7 equals 9. So they make one whole. 5 plus 3 is 8, so just put everything on it. Question 20. Fill in the blank to complete the table. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1, 3. Question 21. Okay, so here we have 9 as the output. Which of them equals 10? Because it's minus 1, so it would be 10. So 5, it's 5. What you need to double check: 5 times 2, 10, minus 1, 9. Which of following numbers comes out the same as it goes in? 1 times 2 equals 2, minus 1 equals 1. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my say. Don't forget to like and subscribe now.